A pleasant day to everybody. It is my great joy and pride to represent this near preschool class. Thank you to our dearest school heads, amazing teachers, beloved parents, and family members for this momentous occasion. Salamat po sa pagsama niyo sa amin. Let us give thanks to our God Almighty, for He is the source of our knowledge, wisdom, protection, and for all the blessings that we have been receiving. Classmates, ngayon ang simula ng paghakbang atin from school to grade school. Marami pa tayong matutunan. Let us be all excited and be positive for the coming years of learning to us.
Okay. Sunod.
To us.
Taos.
Taos.
Puso.
Pusong. Salamat po sa inyo, sa aming magaganda at mababait na teachers. Teacher Corinne, Teacher Lovely, and Teacher Laika. May we always grateful for our families, love and care, especially from our parents and guardians as we enter a new chapter in our lives. Let us be courageous in facing all the challenges and changes, for we know we are all achievers. A little ways. Let us congratulate ourselves on a job well done. To our Life Better Christian Academy, we thank you for being for light of knowledge. May you continue giving light to every student and their future. To God be the glory.
Wow, very good.
I wanna see